I wanted to do a video on, well, I guess season intro. This is season 6, and I have just released my first recipe for season 6. It's a chocolate layer cake. Please check that out if you haven't done so already. This is Texas Cooking Today. It's a place where you get two kinds of videos. One is a recipe video. It's fairly short. It's just about the recipe, and there's a companion video to it, and that would be a tutorial, and it goes into a lot of depth, a lot of detailed information. If you've never cooked before, the tutorials will turn you into a good cook, guaranteed. So the kitchen is pretty much getting close to where we need it. There's new hardwares that go on. There's some more work that's going on over there on the pantry area and refrigerator. And once I have that done, this is done. And that's not far off. So that's getting very, very close. Did get the new cooktop in. I have switched from electric to gas. Can't stand electric. Gas works great. I've already tried this out, and of course the very first thing I had to cook on it was a batch of Texas red chili. So I figured, you know, one of my first videos that did well, I might as well cook that on that stove first, see how well it performs. It is a fantastic unit, and I look forward to teaching you lots of wonderful dishes on that. So folks, thank you for watching Texas Cooking Today. Please take a look around my channel, and you have a good day. Bye-bye.